morning, sun's just coming up. There's quite a few boats here today. The waves are calm, there's a nice little breeze. Yeah, this is life. So it's been a couple of days since we cleaned these. But there was this kind of tarnish, rust, something. Anyway, that was all down these, so the bartender's friend was pretty good, and it cleaned up this pretty good too. But yeah, comes back after a few days. Busy cooking breakfast?
Well, not breakfast food, but we're having it for breakfast.
Sweet potatoes cooked in lemon. Oh, absolutely yummy. So we've never been in this cupboard, have we?
We've been in this side because this is where the girls hang their clothes. But we've never really gone in here other than just to check that the toilet tank was drained. I mean, I've never noticed that was wrapped in some kind of tape. Probably not the right way to do that. But I also found these.
What are they?
Well, we have one that we use on our window, but this is a breeze. Ours is called a breeze catcher. This is down the hatch ventilator, but it basically pulls the breeze in. And then another one is a little one for smaller windows.
That's cool.
We will definitely.
And it's got a mosquito.
Yeah, we'll be using it for sure because it's like. Okay. I'll have to figure out how to use it, but yeah. I'm not sure how it works, but I'll figure it out. Okay. So what are you about to do?
Shove my fibre optic down the toilet.
Down the black tank? Why are you doing that?
To see if we can find out where this blockage is. Because we can't empty the toilet when we get 3 miles out.
So it's kind of strange that we can't, if we open it, it won't drain out.
Yeah.
However, if we go to get pumped out and we open the valve, it'll pull seawater up.
Yeah.
But it just won't put seawater out. So that's kind of weird. I mean, it won't put black
I got a
water
funny
out.
feeling it's because there's a elbow
And something's in there.
in there. I was hoping that this would come out, but I can't find.
Oh wait, I'm not pointing down there. You're wanting to take that, the front off the cabinet?
Yeah.
But I couldn't find any screws to do that. Like, where do you take it out?
Which would have let us get underneath there without having to.
So we might need to find a way to make that into a door some way.
Yeah.
Just for
Access panel.
Yeah. Okay. Years ago, I was putting some purple and blue, or no, blue and pink hair dye in the girl's hair, and asked Steven for some gloves, and he was like, nope, don't think we have any. I guarantee you he's got some today that he just pulled out of a cabinet. I don't blame him though. I wouldn't be touching this without gloves either. So hey, like a week or so ago, I was putting some blue hair dye in Katie's hair.
Yeah.
And I asked you for some gloves, and you're like, nope, don't know anything about where they're at.
I just found them.
A miracle, right? I don't blame you. I wouldn't be doing this without gloves either. That's gross. Put it outside.
Still a bunch of liquid in there.
So we've been emptying this toilet once a week the entire time we've been in Key West. They've been coming out pumping it. And it still wouldn't drain when we came here. Or before we came. But yesterday we had it pumped out at a dock instead of the...
This is what I'm going to do.
Plan?
Take this hose off, see if it's blocked.
You put a trash bag down there to catch anything that might...
Yep.
So we can hopefully keep it out of our bilge.
And then it's not. And then we're going to pour some water into it from the top into a bucket. If it drains, great. If it don't, I've got to figure out what's stuck in it.
Hey, are you living the dream? Did you hit something?
Yeah. Pretty solid.
Hey, it's coming out in the bucket. Yeah? It's slow, but it's coming. Don't pour any more. Definitely don't pour any more. It's coming out pretty fast now. What you seeing under there?
It's also leaking. A trash bag under here. That's
Anything that might leak out of there?
out.
What?
I don't want to do this.
I can't. I'm sorry.
I don't want to do this.
I know you don't, but we don't have a choice because we can't live like this and it's leaking into the girls' room. So hey, let me ask you about something before you cut anything. The pipe that you're taking, that you unhooked over here, so how's it going?
It's going like everything. It turns into something simple into something difficult.
Oh, life.
Get that on there now. So,
Steven's gonna pour some water into the toilet to see if it'll drain. So how's it going?
so that's what's inside. It's like calcium, lime.
And there was a huge piece of it.
Yeah, and it was basically blocking the pipe. So, and
It would allow us to suck water from underneath because it would push.
and then it would drain back down into it. So, but it stinks.
Water into the, up to there. Pretty sure you filled it up to here. All right, stop it. Well, somebody's got to clean the carpet. This boat has carpet in 3 places. In town, one in Talon's room, one in our room, and one little place here. It's disgusting, and I don't know why we have it. I'd rather not, but we have it. And And mine got a little potty water on it. So. All those days of fostering kids that like to play in the toilet, I'm well prepared to clean a little potty water.
There's that bits of rock.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't scrub it in it.
No, I've been sucking it up with the vacuum actually.
Yeah.
You'll have to clean that when we're done.
So as you can see from there, it was one of the jobs I wanted to get done before we headed over to the Bahamas. And what we found was at the bottom of the tank was probably about 1.5 inch layer across the entire bottom of the tank of calcified seawater and basically pee, completely solidified. So I had to hand scoop it all out. It was not pleasant. So that all went into a trash bag and we dumped that at the appropriate place to dump it. I'm hoping that that will have solved the issue. We're just filling the tank up right now, and then just before we leave I want to go over to the marina and suck it all out and hopefully get any residual left over out. We're actually planning in the next 2 days to head over to the Bahamas. We wanted to get this done because there's very few pump out, well, we've been told there's very few pump out facilities, so you definitely need to have your black tanks emptying out at the appropriate locations. So hopefully that's solved that issue. So our friends sailing Moab can't make the Bahamas this time. They've got to go to Fort Pierce to do some repairs. So we're heading over with SV Turnabout. So we're hoping to set off Saturday morning and get there for sometime Sunday. The wind's going to be very light, which is kind of amusing because right now it's been up to 25-35 knots. There were lots of boats dragging around in Boot Key entrance. So just want to say a big shout out to all of our Patreons. Thank you so much for your support, and if you are interested in becoming a Patreon, just head over to the Patreon site. It would really help us out. If you're new to the channel, please click on that like button and the subscribe button. It really helps us out, grows the channel, and actually encourages us to keep going. We've actually been producing videos for 2 years, and I think a year ago today exactly we actually put the down payment on this boat. So yeah, amazing how fast the year has gone and what we've done and where we've been, and certainly looking forward to the next 6 weeks in the Bahamas. Lots of golden beaches, clear water, a couple of projects that I want to do while we're over there because of the clear water, so looking forward to it. So hopefully see you soon, and God bless and take care.